I didn't want to do this, man. I didn't want it to have to come to this. I did the video on the kunwu knife, and it's just been one shit show after another. With kunwu trying to prove like that I'm at fault or something, or like that it's just my opinion, which is just crazy, man. And whoever wrote this message obviously doesn't know what they're talking about. And I don't know what knife or anything they looked at, because I still have mine with detent lash now, because I did a video and I just didn't release it because I was trying to work with kunwu, where I just barely ground right there, just a little bit, just to show when I sharpen this, it's gonna get detent lash. Maybe not the first sharpening, but after a few sharpenings, I'm gonna get detent lash. Mine has detent lash now, pretty significant detent lash too. And I didn't have to grind much, because my pin on my knife is not the stabilizer pin. My stop pin that goes over the pivot doesn't stop my blade. That's why it'll hit the backspacer if I take it out. So that means if I sharpen it, and I sharpen it a few times, and my stone hits where that lands, which it will get significant detent lash. There's nothing I can do about that. Sergio, all he had to do was say, hey, Jared, sorry, man, and just tell everybody else, hey, Jared's had a problem, we replaced it, and I would have said, hey, kunwu replaced my knife, no big deal. It's not a big issue. But this has become something it doesn't need to be. And then Sergio and me, man, I feel like, I don't know, man, like going through fucking waves, man. It's like 1 minute I'm talking to him and he seems really cool and he understands. I even broke it down word for word and told him, man, this is how you can make this right. Nobody will care if you just replace it and say, hey, man, Jared's had an issue. That doesn't mean all of them do. I think it's only the carbon fiber ones, if anything, just because I think it's the liners. Titaniums are machined around, so I think those are probably going to be fine. The stop pin will probably stop. But these, the carbon fibers are machined out, and then it has a steel liner. That's probably the issue. But to go and get third-party testing on a knife that isn't this one makes no sense, man. And then to make it seem like this is my opinion, out of this world, man. I have no reason. I loved this knife, man. So I don't want it to be fucked up. I didn't want the company to be fucked up. I didn't want the company to act like a dickhead and make such a big deal out of this. I mean, like I said, man, I told kunwu many times over and over, I will help you mitigate risk on this, and to scream from the rooftops that you guys have been really awesome. You just got to do the right thing. It's that simple. I don't understand what is so hard with that. Like, is your ego so bruised that if a manufacturing issue happens, you're going to fucking blame it on the person who got the knife? The fuck is wrong with you? I'm kind of sick of this thing being treated like it's my opinion. Like it's my opinion. If you can find one that doesn't do it, doesn't mean this one doesn't. And if you can find some that don't, I'm glad. I hope this is the only one, but it doesn't stop this one from being one that has a serious issue. Now, I've already proved it by taking out what acts as the stop pin. I know this is a stabilizer, but it's not in this knife. It is the stop pin. The stop pin up here doesn't stop soon enough. And just to prove it, I'm just going to grind just right there where the stop pin lands to show we're getting detent lash already. Keep it going. Stop pin's still there. Within like 3 or 4 sharpenings, I'm going to be to that point. You know, if I'm removing material and I'm sharpening, so watch the stone go all the way to the choil. It's going to pass and hit that every time. And it's going to hit that area and it's going to grind that area away. Trust me, I've sharpened enough knives to know when there's going to be an issue. Like, it's not like this is my opinion. This is what happens. I've dealt with this thousands of times. Like, not even hundreds, literally thousands of times I've dealt with this. And this amount of steel, because it's thin behind the edge, will sharpen much faster. And it just depends. Like, what if I drop it and I chip my edge like I just did right there? Now I got to sharpen that out. So there goes all that steel right there in order to make it even, you know, in order to not have a chip. You know, it's just what it is. But I'm just kind of getting aggravated. And, you know, people talking shit, whether it's in group chats or whatever, behind my back, as if, like, I'm being an idiot here when I'm trying to fucking help people. Whoever analyzed this and came to the conclusion that I was wrong about this doesn't understand knives, and the manufacturing department or kunwu, I don't know if they don't understand knife making or sharpening. You know, this is a knife, right? Is it not supposed to be sharpened? Isn't that kind of the thing that it is supposed to fucking do? Like, to make it seem like this is not an issue is crazy. You know how many knives I've sharpened and wound up with serious details before I ever realized, like, in my, 8 years ago, when I first started really working on knives, I ran into this issue. Okay, there's the stabilizer, right? That's supposed to be the stabilizer. This is supposed to be the stop, right? But this does not stop it. Now, my guess is that this liner is the issue right there. I bet it was supposed to go a little bit further down, because when I go like this, it hits the stabilizer. Let's take it out. What happens when I take it out? Oh, it hits the backspacer. The detent, or the stop pin and the detent, have to line up. This is not stopping it, right? This side isn't stopping it either. That's why, after I just barely sharpened right there just a little bit just to prove it, it has detent lash now. So now, if I take it out, I will hit my backspacer. If I don't take it out and I sharpen it, I get detent lash. You know, yeah, like I said, not after one sharpening, but probably like 4 or 5 sharpenings or something, you know, it will have an issue. Like, I don't understand how this is so hard to understand. Stop pins and detents have to align. Your stop pin cannot go in the area where steel needs to be removed in order to sharpen it long term. Now, I understand that was never supposed to be the issue with this, because the stop pin over the pivot was supposed to stop it. Mine does not. I tried to help, man. I've tried helping, but man, I feel bipolar going back and forth, where like we come to an agreement and then right after he's like leaving me messages sounding like a dick, and going back and forth 100 times like that, like eventually just gets old. Man, this is such an easy fix. If there's some knives with issues, let's say, because most likely it's not the tie versions. If it's the carbon fiber versions, it's not like you have to replace the whole knife. You just replace the liner. You know, I know that's an expense, and I feel bad, and that's why I tried to mitigate all the risk. But it's like, I'm not going to be made to be a liar, because it's like that's what he's trying to do. Like, as if like I'm just making this up. I'm just pulling this out of my ass that this is an issue. No, this has been an issue for a long time with a lot of knife companies. And if knife companies knew a little bit more about fucking sharpening and using your knife, then you'd understand the issues that come up in the future on high-end knives, or on knives, period. Even worse, on high-end knives, because, you know, that's it fucking matters more, right? And to anybody saying, oh, you got a free knife, you complain, these knives aren't fucking free, man. We work really hard on making videos and testing and this and that. We pay way more sometimes for a knife in time and effort. And what we're supposed to do is review it. Give our honest feedback. We're not supposed to suck off the fucking company because they sent us a knife. And if that's your answer, if that's what you think that's supposed to happen, I'd hate for you to be a fucking knife reviewer, because sounds like you would just fucking deep throat every fucking company that fucking has an issue just because they sent you a knife. That's not what we do here. No. Some things are my opinion. When they are my opinion, I say that. In every video I have an opinion. But that has nothing to do with the knife, right? That's why I don't make those issues. There's either an issue or there's not. When there is, it's obvious.